Okay, recording na tayo. Send ko sandali yung picture ng problem 4. Okay. So, sa problem 4, sabi niya, what is the mechanical efficiency of a 0.5 megawatts diesel engine if the friction power is 70 kilowatts? So, maikli lang siya. Wait lang, may accept ako. So, given natin for problem number 4, meron daw tayong 0.5 megawatts na diesel engine. Tapos, friction power is 70 kilowatts. Itong ano, hindi niya sinabing indicated power to. Ito yung brake power, 0.5 megawatts. And yung 0.5 megawatts equal siya into 500 kilowatts. Okay? Brake power yung 0.5 megawatts. So, for our PF, yung PF natin is the friction power. Meron tayong 70 kilowatts. Our required na pinapahanap sa atin is mechanical efficiency. So, E sub M. Solution natin for EM is, so the formula for EM, check natin yung mga notes natin. EM is equal to, nasan ka? Mechanical efficiency, ayun. So, may dalawang formula si EM. EM is equal to PB over PMIND o kaya PMI. PMI na lang. Ayan. PB over PMI o kaya pwede rin siyang, ay hindi, ano PMI? Mali to. PB over PIND or pwede siyang EM is equal to MB over PMI. PMI o kaya PIND. Pwede yun. So, dito sa given natin, may PB tayo. So, gagamitin natin itong first formula natin. Next, kailangan muna natin mahanap yung PIND. Kulang pa tayo ng PIND. So, to get PIND, di ba may formula tayo kanina na PMI multiplied by VD. Ayan yung formula natin kanina. Yung problema, wala tayong PMI, wala rin tayong VD. So, pwede natin gamitin yung other formula niya wherein magde-derive tayo. Kasi, kung pupuntahan natin yung friction power, si friction power, PF is equal to indicated power, PIND, minus the brake power. Okay? So, pwede natin kunin yung indicated power gamit yung formula na to. Ito transpose lang natin si PB. So, PIND ngayon is equal to PF plus PB. And our PF is 70 kilowatts. And our PB is 500 kilowatts. So, calculate natin. 500 plus 70 kilowatts. 570 kilowatts. That is our indicated power. Okay? Indicated power natin to. 570 kilowatts. So, pwede na natin compute yung efficiency natin. EM is equal to PB over PIND. Meron tayong PB na 500 kilowatts. Meron tayong PIND na 570 kilowatts. So, para minsanan na, multiply na tayo ng 100%. Let's calculate 500 divided by 570 is 0.7. Tapos times 100, meron tayong 87.72%. Ayan na yung ating mechanical efficiency ngayon. Okay? Questions para sa problem number 4. Questions para kay problem 4? Wala?
Wala.
Okay, proceed ako. Problem 5. Problem 5, ito siya. Sa index card, pwedeng sulat yung mga formulas. So, ayun yung sinend ko sa GC yung problem 5. Sa problem 5 natin, a 6-cylinder diesel engine on a dynamometer test was found to have a dynamometer torque of 1,825 foot-pounds. Tapos, the cylinder is 8.5 inch by 10.5 inch for cycle type and a speed of 600 RPM. Determine the brake power and the brake mean effective pressure. So, our given. For our given, meron tayong 6 cylinders. So, NC is equal to 6. Tapos, meron daw tayong torque. Yung dynamometer, torque yun. So, 1 over 8 1 over 8. 1,825 foot-pounds. And then, meron tayong bore na 8.5 inch. Bakit nalaman natin na yung 8.5 yung bore? Kasi yung bore, lagi siya mas maliit kay stroke. Yung stroke natin, 10.5 inch. Tapos, 4 cycle type, meaning 4 stroke to. 4 stroke engine. And then, meron daw tayong speed na 600 RPM. So, what is required? Yung hinahanap natin is brake power. So, P sub B at saka brake mean effective pressure, PMB. For our solution, diba, si PB kanina, meron tayong formula sa kanya na PB is equal to 2 pi T N over 60. Itong over 60, 60 seconds siya, ibig sabihin. So, actually, kompleto na tayo. Meron na tayong T, meron na tayong N. Pwede natin diretsong kunin yung PB natin. PB natin ngayon is 2 pi multiplied by 1,825 foot-pounds multiplied by N. Yung N natin is 600 RPM over 60. Tandaan, itong 60 na to, seconds na to. So, 60 seconds yan. So, automatic na mako-convert yung RPM natin into RPS. So, now we get, calculator tayo, 2 pi multiplied by 1825 multiplied by 600. We get, medyo malaki. Makuha natin PB is 114, lang, 114,668.13 foot pounds per second. Since wala naman in-indicate na units yung problem, pwede na nating i-final answer ito. Or kung pwede rin natin siyang palitan ng units, pwede natin siyang gawin horsepower. Horsepower o kaya BTU per second kung gusto nyo. Kung horsepower, iba kanina, 1 horsepower is equivalent to 550 foot-pound per second. So, divide natin ng 550 yung sagot natin. 114,668.13 divided by 550. Then we get 208. Meron tayong 208.49 horsepower. So, either unit, pwede sila. Wala namang specify na unit dapat niya. Kung BTU, gagawin natin BTU, 1 foot pound per second is 778 foot pounds. 1 BTU. Ganyan siya. Bale, di-divide natin ng 778 to get BTU per second. Ayan. Kung BTU. Next, yung ating brake mean effective pressure. PMP. Yung brake mean effective pressure natin, formula is so si PMB pala, wala siyang direct formula. Tama pa. Double check ko sandali. Yep, wala siyang formula na directly makukuha natin or agad-agad natin makukuha. Kailangan tayong anong tawag dito? Kailangan tayong mag-derive. So, sige, mag-derive tayo. Mayroon tayong brake power na Formula 1. Ito, diba? May second formula pa tayo kay brake power, which is PB is equal to P MBVD. Diba? And pwede natin siyang iano ang tawag sa'yo. Derive. So we divide both sides by VD. So we get PMB is equal to PB over VD. Yung VD natin, pwede natin expand. Pi over 4, pi d squared over 4 multiplied by L, N, NC, and P. So, nasa numerator yung PB natin. Ayan. Ngayon, let's substitute yung ating oo. So, sinabi ni ma'am, para hindi na to yung mahirapan, pwede na pala natin gamitin ito. Itong foot-pound per second. Kasi ito naka-inch per second. So, magko-convert na lang tayo. So, unahin ko yung denominator. Unahin ko susulat denominator. So, pi, yung d natin is, d is 8.5 inches. Over 4 multiplied by 10.5 inch. Yung ating speed is 600. 600 RPM. And na-mention na 4-stroke siya. So, RPM, convert natin into seconds. 600 RPM times 1 minute over 60 seconds. All over 2. Yan. Number of pistons, number of cylinders natin. Meron tayong 6 cylinders. Hindi rin sinabi kung ilang action siya. So, 1. Sa numerator to, yung PB natin is gamitin natin itong 114,668. 114,668 foot pounds per second multiplied by, to cancel out feet, meron tayong 12 inches. Meron tayong 1 foot tapos 12 inches. Ayan. So, ganito yung maging cancellation natin. Si foot, cancel si foot. Okay? Tapos si second, baka cancel. Cancel second, cancel si minute, Matitirang units is inch sa taas over inch squared times inch dito sa taas. May foot pa pala dito sa taas. May pound pala dito sa taas. Ayan. Ito, may pound pa pala. So, now, makancel yung inch dito, makancel yung inch dito. Matitira is pounds per square inch. So, PSI. PSI yung unit natin. Calculator natin yung PMB. Tsaka, ano naman brake mean effective pressure. So, sinabi pressure. So, tandaan lang natin yung units ng mga pressure. Calculator natin. 114. So, 114,668 times 12 all over 5. 8.5 squared 4 multiplied by 10.5 multiplied by 600 divided by 60 divided by 2 multiplied by 6. Makuha natin 76.98. 76.98 PSI. Yun yung brake mean effective pressure natin. So, tapos sa problem number 5, may questions tayo. May question tayo sa problem number 5. May question?
Wala naman, pre.
Wala. Sige.
Medyo ano lang. Nakakalito lang mga conversion.
Pero nakakasunod naman. Alam nyo naman itackle yung conversions.
Yes, pre.
Sige. So, problem 6 tayo. Problem number 6. Send ko sandali sa GC. So, sa problem number 6, the cylinder diameter of an 8-cylinder single-acting 4-stroke diesel engine are 750 millimeters and the stroke is 1,125 millimeters. The indicated mean effective pressure in the cylinder is 586 kilopascals when the engine is running at 110 RPM. Calculate the indicated power. So, ganito siya niya. Sa given natin, sabi niya dito, may 8 cylinder tayo. 8 yung cylinders natin. Single acting siya. So, NP, piston action, 1 lang. 4-stroke, sabi. Okay, so, 4-stroke. Note natin yun, 4-stroke. Huwag kalimutan si 4-stroke. Tapos, diameter natin is 750 millimeters. Si 750 millimeters equal siya sa 0.75 meters. Okay? Si stroke niya is 1,125 millimeters. Convert natin into meters, 1.125 meters. Yung ating mean effective pressure indicated, tandaan, PMI is 586 kPa. For our speed, 110 RPM. So, required. Anong pinapahanap sa atin ngayon? Calculate the indicated power. So, PIND. Our solution now. So, indicated power formula natin is PIND is equal to PMI multiplied by VD. Ganun lang. Paulit-ulit na lang tayo niyan dito. Parang ulit-ulit na lang yung formulas natin. So, PIND is equal to PMI-VD. Pwede nating kunin na yung VD, which is pi d squared over 4. So, tandaan, nasa inyo yung choice kung hiwalay natin i-compute or pagsama na natin sila. Ako, yung ginagawa ko, pinagsasama ko na agad para minsanan lang yung computation. So, PMI natin, mean effective pressure, 586 kPa. Multiplied by pi d squared, yung d natin is 0.75 meters squared over 4. Okay? Si L natin, 1.125 meters multiplied by speed, which is 110 RPM. Convert natin siya into RPS. 1 minute over 60 seconds. Tandaan, 4-stroke yung ating engine. So, magde-divide tayo ng 2. And then, NC, number of cylinders, meron tayong 8. Yung NP, number of piston action, single acting lang daw tayo. So, 1. Then, let us compute. PIND natin ngayon. Ganito siya. 586 multiplied by over 4 multiplied by 1.125 multiplied by 62 divided by 2 multiplied by 8. So, pakicheck na lang. Yung nakuha ko is 2,135 2,135.82 uh, ano to, power indicated. So, kilowatts. So, mag-unit analysis tayo. KPA times square meters times meter times per second. Alam natin na si KPA is kilonewton per square meters. Times natin to over second. Makancel si square meter, makancel si square meter. Magsasama si kilonewton meter per second or kilojoule per second or kilowatts. So, ano yung unit analysis natin? So, this is our final answer. Oh, yun yung problem number 6 natin. Questions for problem number 6. Questions for problem number 6. Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Oh, sige. Teka. Stop